Hi, buddy. How's Jax today? I go feed the birds. Eh? And the squirrels. And the squirrels. Huh. Get them pesky squirrels. Knocking off the bird feeder. Things are still pretty full, aren't they? Oh, man. They got another one. All right, let's top them off. Get your nose out of there. Get your nose out of there. And feed you sunflower seeds. Then I'll have sunflower plants growing all over the yard where you pooped. Goofy dog. Who's a goofy boy? Yep. Got to keep the little birds fed. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. And the squirrels. And the squirrels. You like those, don't you? Let's set this up here. All right. Oh, where'd he go? Flying all over the place. I know you like them cakes. You like these cakes, don't you? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Woo! All right. These are for the woodpeckers that fly around. Got to keep them fed too. And the chickadees. All right. Oh, all right. Here we go. Do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. Got a little bit of snow last night. A couple inches. All right, see if I can do this. There we go. Oh, oh, come on, get in there. Get in there. Yeah. There we go. Yep. One done. Go get the other one. Go get the other one. Oh, oh, oh. Yep. All right. All right. Got that one done. Get that one done. Here we go. We'll play in the snow. And get you. A lot of branches fell down with all the wind we had last week. Huh. I'm gonna get you. Get that butt. I'm gonna get that butt. I wanna get that butt. I'll get that butt. I'm gonna get that butt. Oh, I got that. You go, boy. Oh, you a go? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You my buddy. Huh? Come here. Come here. Ah, get that butt. Get that butt. Ah, get that butt. All right. Should go back in? I'm hungry. All right. Call it a day. Huh? What? Ain't nobody out there. Come on. Come here. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Can I have a kiss? Thank you. All right, Steven&Jax. Party 2. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.